It's Joanne, and hello food lovers. So I love that I found this Emeril Lagasse air fryer that's actually an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. I was specifically looking for size, maximum height, the width, but also a multi-purpose appliance. This is actually a 9-in-1 air fryer that not only does the air frying, but it will bake, it will rotisserie, dehydrate, broil, it'll slow cook, and much more, including toasting. So this has a pre-function 12 item on the LCD screen, so you can just set up for each one. It's got air fry, toast, bagel, pizza. It's got the slow cook. It's got the roast on here, so you can just choose what you're looking for by turning the button. So it's so easy to set. With the LCD screen, you can see what you're setting it to. It has like a 360-degree quick cook technology, so it heats evenly all around, so the elements get hot and just cook it all around. So there's no need for extra oils or grease. It really gives us good crispy fries, juicy tender chicken. We also use ours for toasting, like I said, for bagels or English muffins. And I was going to show you, we can put 6 pieces of bread in here to toast at a time. And we just put it in there, set it to the toast, how much darkness we want. I've got it on medium. How many pieces of toast? So we've got it on 6 pieces. This is going to take about 4 minutes and 45 seconds. And we just turned it on. But with the power of magic and TV, I wanted to show you what medium heat looks like for a piece of toast. Perfect. Perfect. So it makes it really super easy. I really like that the stainless steel construction makes it stylish for our kitchen. It's very durable. It's very convenient. We've had this one for a little over 2 years. It's been super durable. It's been perfect. So it's really built to last. We use it on the weekends. We use it on weeknights, in between. It comes with all that you need. So it has, you saw the rack that I have the toast on. It does have the rotisserie. It has the basket for fries and such, pizza pan perhaps, or other items that you want to cook with. It's really been the greatest thing for us to use for our cooking needs. It comes also with a cookbook from Emeril Lagasse himself. So bam, there you go. We love it. It's been perfect.